Builder's Excellence provides location management. With location management, searching for customers by property address, service and maintenance history, warranty management of appliances or assets. When locations are saved in the database, you can search for a customer using the property address. But you can also manage service and maintenance at each location and warranty tracking for appliances and assets. In this video, we will show you how to do the following. Search for a location in the Find and Add. Create a new location. Add, edit, or clone a location from the Location module. Let's start with the Find and Add. Using the Location field, you can search for the location by entering partial keywords or the entire address. As you type, suggestions will appear. Select the address and click on Search. The result will return contacts and contacts linked to the address. If your customer does not exist but the address does, then proceed with a new customer inquiry, as you can link the address in the next step. In this video, we will select a match, click on Next, and complete the inquiry details. Then you can now proceed to create the inquiry. This will redirect you to your inquiry record with the location linked. Click on the location and you can see the location has been linked to the inquiry and all the information about the location has been pre-populated. If you click on the record name, you will be redirected to the Location module. From here you can update the existing details. You can click on related records to view the history, including warranty items. You can also edit this location by clicking on Edit and use a simple canvas design to fill in the fields. Then save your changes. You can also clone the location if you are adding another apartment unit on the same building. On the location record, click on Clone, then modify the address details with the specific unit details. Next is to link the parent location. This is a lookup field. Search for the apartment address, then click on Save. Finally, to create a location record, click on Create Location button. Fill in the necessary fields. Make sure your location are linked to an account so you can utilize the Find and Add search. You can also link the Google address and upload an image of the location. Click on Save. You now have created, edited, and cloned a location.